Stay connected to your home, alert to every movement, anytime. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Today we're checking out the Tapo C200 Pan Tilt Home Security Wi-Fi camera, offering crisp 1080p Full HD video for clear and detailed home monitoring. With smooth 360-degree pan and 114-degree tilt coverage, smart motion detection, night vision, two-way audio, and simple Wi-Fi setup so you can see, hear, and communicate with your home anytime, all straight from your smartphone. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Tapo C200 Pan Tilt camera, DC power adapter, mounting screws, mounting template, quick start guide, technical specifications. Introducing the Tapo C200 Pan Tilt camera. It features a 1/2.9-inch image sensor with an f2.4 aperture and 4mm lens, delivering crisp 1080p Full HD video recording and live streaming. With 360-degree horizontal and 114-degree vertical coverage, including 340-degree pan and 70-degree tilt, you can monitor every corner of your space. Night vision is powered by an 850-nanometer IRLAD, providing up to 30 feet of visibility in low-light conditions. Video is compressed with H.264 for smooth playback and efficient storage, and frame rates go up to 30 frames per second for steady monitoring. Two-way audio with a built-in microphone and speaker lets you listen and talk remotely. Storage is handled via micro SD cards up to 512 gigabytes, with optional cloud storage through Tapo Care. Smart Motion, Person, and Baby Cry Detection sends instant push notifications for real-time alerts. Privacy is maintained with customizable activity zones. The camera connects over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with WPA/WPA 2PSK encryption for secure streaming. And finally, smart integration lets you control the camera hands-free using Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. Product features. The motorized pan and tilt function allows the camera to rotate smoothly from side to side and move vertically, giving you complete room coverage. You can remotely control the viewing angle through the app, making it easy to monitor every corner without needing multiple cameras. Enjoy sharp and detailed video with Full HD 1080p resolution for crystal clear monitoring during the day. At night, the built-in 850-nanometer IRLEDs provide visibility up to 30 feet, so you can keep an eye on your home even in complete darkness, without compromising clarity. Advanced detection technology can distinguish between general movement and human activity, reducing false alerts. When motion is detected, instant push notifications are sent directly to your smartphone so you can respond quickly. The built-in microphone and speaker allow real-time communication. Whether you're talking to family members, calming a pet, or warning an intruder, you can speak and listen clearly through the mobile app from anywhere. Product overview. The Tapo C200 is a versatile pan-tilt Wi-Fi camera with 360 degrees horizontal coverage, HD video, and two-way audio via a built-in microphone and speaker. It supports secure local storage with a micro SD slot and features a reset button, offering reliable home security and easy communication in a sleek design. The system LED shows status. Solid red means starting up. Red and green blinking means ready for setup. Slow red blink means connecting to Wi-Fi, solid amber means Wi-Fi connected, and solid green means cloud connection. Fast red blinking means camera resettings, and fast green means camera updating. App connection. Start by downloading the free Tapo app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and either log into your existing TP-Link account or create a new one to get started. In the app, tap plus to add a new device. Select the Tapo C200 Pan tilt security camera and follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you to connect the camera to your home Wi-Fi network and sync it with your phone. After pairing, the app will confirm the indoor cam is connected. You can then customize settings, test the live video feed, enable motion detection alerts, and try two-way audio to make sure everything works properly. How to install. Select an indoor position that gives you a clear, wide-angle view of the room, such as a living area, hallway, nursery, or entry point. Avoid placing it directly facing bright windows or reflective surfaces, as glare can reduce image clarity. Make sure the location is close to a power outlet and within strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi range for stable performance. If you prefer not to drill, simply position the camera on a flat and stable surface, like a shelf, desk, or countertop. Ensure it sits securely to prevent vibrations or accidental movement. Adjust the tilt and angle carefully so the lens captures the most important areas without obstruction. For a more permanent setup, use the included mounting template to mark the screw positions accurately. Drill the holes, insert the anchors if needed, and secure the mounting screws firmly. Attach the camera to the mount and fine-tune the viewing angle to achieve the best coverage of your space. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved power sources. Protect from water and moisture. Clean gently. Mount securely. Keep firmware and software updated. Product comparison. The Tapo C200 features a sturdy yet sleek plastic body designed for both tabletop and ceiling mounting, offering a professional and durable look that fits most home interiors. In contrast, the Genie Look indoor camera has a lightweight, glossy plastic construction, emphasizing portability and easy placement anywhere in your home. But it feels less robust compared to the Tapo C200. The Tapo C200 delivers 1080p Full HD video with smooth mechanical pan and tilt, providing a full 360 degrees horizontal and 114 degrees vertical viewing range, allowing you to monitor an entire room without blind spots. The Genie Look indoor camera also records in 1080p Full HD, but it has a fixed viewing angle with no pan or tilt, limiting its coverage to a single area, which may require repositioning to cover multiple angles. Tapo C200 comes packed with two-way audio, smart motion, person, and baby cry detection, and customizable activity zones, ensuring intelligent alerts and complete control over your home security. It also supports micro SD cards up to 512 gigabytes for local storage and optional cloud storage via Tapo Care, while integrating seamlessly with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa for voice control. The Genie Look indoor camera has two-way audio and basic motion detection, but its AI features are limited, storage options are more constrained, and smart integration is simpler, offering fewer advanced controls. Pros and cons. The Tapo C200 Pan tilt camera provides 360 degrees horizontal and 114 degrees vertical coverage with 1080p Full HD video, night vision up to 30 feet, and two-way audio via its built-in microphone and speaker. It features smart motion, person, and baby cry detection with customizable activity zones, supports micro SD storage up to 512 gigabytes, and works with Alexa and Google Assistant with RTSP and OnVIF compatibility, While limited to 1080p 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, no battery backup, and indoor use only, it offers strong security, easy setup, and excellent value for home monitoring. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.